Hi everyone, welcome to Lesson 3. In the previous lessons, we looked at Vietnam's food market size and consumer demand trends. Today, we turn to a very important question. Through which channels will your food products actually reach Vietnamese consumers? Distribution is crucial. Even a strong product can fail if it enters the wrong channel. So in this lesson, we will explore Vietnam's retail and distribution landscape, especially the shift toward modern retail, convenience formats, and e-commerce. When distributing food in Vietnam, exporters and importers typically work with several main channels. These include traditional trade such as wet markets and mom-and-pop stores, modern retail like supermarkets and hypermarkets, convenience stores and mini-marts, e-commerce and online grocery delivery, and the food service and HoReCa sector, including restaurants, cafes, and catering services. In Vietnam today, we see a clear shift toward modern and convenience retail as well as online platforms, although traditional trade remains very important, especially for fresh items and rural consumers. Let's talk about how the retail structure is changing. By 2025, Vietnam's total retail market is estimated at around 309 to 310 billion US dollars. Modern trade now accounts for about 27% of total retail sales, up from only 15% in 2005, and is forecast to reach around 35% by 2030. Within modern trade, convenience stores and mini-marts are expanding very quickly. Meanwhile, e-commerce is rising rapidly due to improved digital payments, logistics, and young urban consumers purchasing food and FMCG online. However, despite these changes, traditional trade continues to dominate in many areas. Some reports show that modern retail may still account for only around 22% of total retail sales, meaning nearly 78% is still captured by traditional markets and small grocery stores. This dual market structure creates both opportunity and complexity for exporters. So what does this mean for your export strategy? If your products are packaged, shelf-stable, snacks, ready to eat, or beverages, then modern retail, convenience stores, and mini-marts are priority channels. If your products appeal to younger urban consumers or premium niches, e-commerce can be an excellent entry point. Many exporters choose a hybrid approach, combining modern retail and online platforms for maximum visibility. Traditional trade is still critical for certain categories, especially fresh goods, low-cost items, and products targeting mass market or rural consumers. If your goal is broad penetration, you may need to partner with distributors who already have access to these channels. Each channel has its own requirements, risks, and advantages, so channel selection must match your product type, price positioning, and target segment. Before choosing your channel, there are a few things you should evaluate carefully. First, profile your product, whether it's shelf-stable, packaged, frozen, chilled, or perishable. This determines which channels can handle your product properly. Second, identify your target consumer segment. Modern retail tends to suit urban, middle-income, or young consumers, while traditional trade serves price-sensitive or rural buyers. Third, confirm compliance and packaging requirements, since modern trade and online platforms require standardized labeling and documentation. Fourth, assess your logistics capability, including warehousing and cold chain if needed. Finally, decide whether you will enter through direct listing, a distributor, or a hybrid model. In the upcoming lessons, we will look deeper into each channel: modern retail procurement, e-commerce logistics and marketing, traditional trade distributors, and a decision framework to help you choose the right path for your product. I'll see you in the next lesson.